Lo que pasa es que ahorita vienen a ponerme el cable. ¿El cable se puede poner o no?
¿El qué?
El cable para ver televisión.
Oh,
Que lo dejes conectado por lo
She
menos.
wants the TV.
yeah. Okay, televisión, está bien. Sí.
Remember, the cable is over there. It's over in the corner.
Yeah, we could do that.
We can do
But we
that.
don't have to do it right now. But ask her what else she wants.
¿Qué más?
Like look at the kitchen, tell us what else. Sí, ¿qué más?
Aquí están todos los platos aquí abajo y la comida también está en este carro. She said she didn't need anything.
Okay, but
Just
she
to tell
wants
her-
the TV.
She wants the TV.
Okay, ¿qué más? No necesita esta.
¿No?
No necesita. Aquí. I mean, we should make this.
Yeah, we'll get the ladder and we'll get the hammer drills.
Yeah.
That way she could still operate in the kitchen. Is that what her situation is? Gotcha.
She said she doesn't need to, but
Only the
Ya
television.
no están por allá en casa de la otra tía.
this is. She might have got a sí.
¿Tú no vas a cocinar hoy?
That's
No,
smart.
oye,
Okay.
free.
So,
Perfecto.
okay, can we show her the house here while we have her in here? Because she hasn't been in here all day.
Es un pune.
And find out what she thinks.
We painted already?
No,
Not inside, only on the outside.
Only the outside, but we've got all the doors and
The
stuff.
doors
in
and we
now.
got two windows in from it.
¿Quiere ver las puertas? Señor, te ven.
And
Vamos a
we got the
enseñar
floor
las
scraped,
puertas.
all the tile off the floor too.
This is her first look. She's been sitting outside all day watching us work. So we'll see her reaction.
Pusimos una puerta nueva aquí. Mira, está bien. Perfecto. Y acá tiene una chapa. Así, sí. Ahí está cambiando, puede cerrar. Bien fácil, si algo se pasa y tú quedas sin llave y tú cierras la puerta, solo mete una cuchilla. Exactamente. Y se va así.
Muy bien.
Pusimos una acá.
Ok, muy bien.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Comprende.
Y tenemos
Ok.
otra acá. Hicimos su cuarto.
Ay, ¿cómo tú sabías que era mi cuarto?
So you want to check this?
Tú y
just wanna make sure
una
we don't
niña y la otra niña.
It's a little high.
So hicimos
I
esta y
think it's a
estamos
little-
terminando con el baño.
Okay, did you bring the lock?
I was thinking,
Pusimos
well,
esta también.
door in.
So, cool. We have to put the cement tomorrow
Vamos a
around here
cerrar
and close
ahí,
that up
así nadie entra.
and fix it. And we got to put the lock
Y
on.
vamos a poner una chapa ahí bien seguridad. ¿Tú quieres con llave o sin llave? esa? Con llave atrás. Okay.
And then tomorrow we have to take up the tile.
Y mañana vamos a quitar esta canal esta afuera y vamos a poner, quitar todo este sin cerámica.
So this
¿Qué es esto?
Es el piso que tú ordenaste.
Ah, ok.
Es el color que querías tú y vamos a meter todo. Y ellos están terminando con esta puerta. So casi estamos trabajando con fuerza.
Muy
Sí,
bien. Muy organizado.
sí.
good.
Muy organizado.
Estamos bien. Vamos a
Okay.
cerrar aquí un poquito. Poner un poquito de coffee. We need some coffee more.
Right.
So estamos trabajando. ¿Cómo te gusta la cosa?
Right on the money.
She said she likes everything so far. Thank you so much.
Ask if she enjoyed watching us doing all the work on her house.
All right, let me go
¿Te
find it.
gusta mirar nosotros trabajando en tu casa?
Estoy mirando.
¿Salió contento con tu corazón?
Ask her if she was worried when she saw me cutting the cement out for the window.
Cuando él estaba cortando el concreto para tu ventana, ¿tú estabas nervioso?
Oh, money.
She said no, she trusted you.
She don't know me very well, does she?
She said that everyone that came to this week knows exactly what they're doing, so she feels very safe and happy.
Okay. Does that say a lot about us or about the other people that have been doing work?
That's right.
All right, so I don't know exactly what she said, but I see that smile. That's universal. We definitely enjoyed the day, so we've still got a lot of work to do. We got the roof up here to start tackling tomorrow. He's been at Home Depot all day, checking out all the senoritas
That's the hardest part of this job.
in the air conditioning. But tomorrow afternoon, he's going to be up here on this hot roof.
We'll be having another
We're
fight.
down a long road.
Yeah. But we'll
You can never trust.
We'll be back on Thursday.
See, that's the way New York Giant fans
Got it.
roll.
Dallas Cowboys
a hole.
girl, the Dallas Cowgirls needs a little help, so I'll help them out.
Okay, with that being said,
back
it's
on
time to finish getting cleaned up so we can come back tomorrow because
Ask the
stink.
Cowgirls fan when was the last time he won a Super Bowl.
Oh.
We got 5.
Okay. With that being said, yes, sir.
Moving on.
Moving on.